Mom, what was that? I'm really scared.
It's just a little turbulence, sweetie.
Whoa, a little bump. What was that? All right. Just a little turbulence, folks. All is well. This was our first flight to Hawaii with the kids, and what happened from our living room to landing will stay with us forever.
Good morning.
Morning.
Tom, it is 7:30.
5 more minutes.
Wake up, we are so late.
Ugh, fine. What time is it now?
It is 7:30. Our flight is at 10:30.
We will get late.
Mary, wake up, we need to hurry. We will get late.
Mommy, please can I sleep for some more time? I am feeling sleepy.
No, no more sleeping. We will get late. We are going to Hawaii today.
Mom, will we see monkeys there?
Yes, only if we reach the airport in time.
Mommy, I am awake!
Good morning, sweetie.
Where's my jacket?
It's on the chair.
I'm so excited! Mom, where are my shoes? Can you help me find it?
Here, my son. Your shoes were under the couch.
Thanks, Dad. Dad, I will wear my shoes and get ready soon.
I hope I have taken everything. The passport, the tickets, what else? Tom, have you taken the snacks?
Yes, I have.
Good, you have kept everything we need.
Mother, look! I have taken my coloring books. Do I need anything else?
That's enough, dear. Let me see what you have in your bag.
Mom, I have taken my favorite toys.
Have you taken your hat to wear on the beach?
Yes, Dad, I have taken it.
Okay, we've taken everything. Let's go.
Yes, I double-checked.
Oh no, there is so much traffic on the road. Hope we reach in time.
Don't worry, dear. We still have time. We'll reach the airport. It's not far. So here we are, finally at the airport. Let's go to our terminal.
Yes, let's go!
Yay!
Let's go!
Look, there are so many people here.
Yes, they are all going for a vacation.
Mom, look! I can see so many airplanes. They are so big.
Yes, I can see them.
Wow, they're so big!
And we will be in the airplane soon.
Good morning, sir. May I have your passports, please? Yes, here you are. 4 passports. Here is your boarding pass. Gate 21. Boarding will start at 9 a.m. Have a nice journey.
Thank you.
Awesome. You're welcome.
Mom, I want to sit at the window seat. I want to see the clouds in the sky.
Okay, sweetie, we'll get the window seat. They check everything carefully for security. Let's go. Are you looking at the airplanes, Jack?
Yes, Mom, look! There it looks so big!
Are you hungry, dear? Should I get something to eat?
Yes, Mom, I need French fries.
All right, who's hungry?
I'll go check out the menu.
Give me fries, Mom, and a burger.
Here we go. Sandwiches and French fries. Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you, Mom. This is so yummy.
Be careful, Jack. Don't spill it on your clothes.
No, Dad, I will not spill it. I am enjoying it.
Are you enjoying your sandwich, dear?
Yes, Mother, it is good. Mother, when will we board the flight? I am just waiting to get in the plane.
Soon, sweetie, very soon.
Mom, I have taken my swimsuit. Will we be going for swimming every day?
Yes, dear.
I just hope I have taken all the things I needed for the trip.
I hope you haven't forgotten anything important. Tom, did you take the sunscreen?
Oh no, I think I forgot it on the dressing table. I am so sorry.
Oh no, Jack. You know it is so hot there. What will we do now?
Don't worry, dear. We will buy a new sunscreen. Everything is available there.
Oh, they have announced our flight. Come, let's go and stand in line.
Yay! Now we are going to go inside the airplane. I am so happy.
Okay, now, keep your passports and boarding passes ready for checking. This way to the departure checking point.
Please find your seats and get settled. Okay, children, have you settled down? Now wear your seatbelt. See? Just like this.
Yes, Mom, we have put on our seatbelts. Mom, look, I can see the airplane wings from here.
Jack, can you see the clouds now?
I was so worried the children would be scared of takeoff, but they are doing great.
Jack, look! I love this cartoon. Cool, no, what is it? It's the best!
Madam, would you like something to drink? Yes, we would like to drink coffee.
These cookies are yummy! Yeah, so good! Mmm.
Whoa, a little bump! What was that? Oh my! Just a little turbulence, folks. All is well.
Mom, what was that? I'm really scared. It's just a little turbulence. Don't be scared, Jack. Everything looks okay now. No more bumps.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've begun our final descent into beautiful Hawaii. Please ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened and your seats are upright.
All arriving international passengers, please proceed to customs and have your passports and declaration forms ready for inspection.
We'll wait here for the taxi to arrive. Hello, Mr. Tom. I'm here to pick you up. Please follow me. Great, thanks. The taxi is right here. Welcome to Hawaii. Wow, thanks. This is amazing. Just wait. The best is yet to come.
Mom, I am very tired after the journey.
Oh, I know, sweetie.
Me too.
We finally reached our hotel.
We're so exhausted but happy.
I'm so tired, but happy.
The day's journey has finally come to an end. Now, we will rest in this beautiful hotel room and prepare for a new adventure tomorrow.